Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to make it impossible for users to go back to previous questions in Google Forms, perfect for quizzes, exams, and timed forms. First, open Google Forms and make sure that you are already signed in. Go to the blank forms. Here you can create any quiz or survey form you want to create. I have some existing templates so I can use them. This is one I have created for important information to collect. This can be used for any information like event planning or registration of any workshop or other event. You can see here that I have already clicked on the required section, so it will not be considered optional for any respondent. So we will go to the settings here on the top right corner and go to the Responses tab. Drop this down and you can see some options. I have already selected the limit to one response option. After selecting this option, one cannot respond multiple times and cannot go back to the form again and again. This is a very important step. Google Forms does not offer a direct disable back option. However, using sections and quiz mode is the best way to prevent users. So let's review this section. I will copy this URL and check it in another tab to see if I can go back or not. This is my new tab, and now I will give my information as requested. Let settings check after submitting it. Now you can see that if I submit this, it will say my information has already been recorded. If I go back to my question and check the responses section, you can see a notification here and my information has already been entered. If I copy the URL again and paste it here, you can see you have already responded. So I cannot submit it multiple times, and that's how you control navigation in Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials from DelphStack. See you in the next one.